let's see how to stop automatic bullet numbering in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, as you can see right now, if we type number 1, press on spacebar, and type in your sample text, and when you press enter, it will automatically put in a number 2 as part of its numbering sequence. Now, while this is incredibly helpful, it can also be unnecessary and downright annoying sometimes. So what we can do to prevent this is go into the File tab, click on Options, and click on Proofing. And right here, you can see the autocorrect options. Now click on that button and click on Auto Format as you type, and turn off automatic numbered lists and automatic bulleted lists. And click on OK twice. Now, as you can see, if we type in number 1, and it won't open number 2 when you press enter. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.